right, well, I drill another hole for this headlight so that the wires can fit in there. And I put the bracket up there, and I went to put this up there, but I'm bottoming out on this part of the light here because my hole is too small. I needed to go in further. Now, any of you who've ever used a hole saw before know that it's difficult to use another hole saw to make your hole bigger. But if you happen to have a hole saw holder that has very long alignment pegs like this, you can put your first hole saw on. Sorry, your new bigger size onto your mandrel and put the alignment pins into it. And then I can't screw this one on, but I can feed the alignment pins. Ow, jeez. The new bit is sharp. The old bit is not so sharp. There we go. See, I can get the alignment pins through this other one. Now I can use this. I can use this smaller hole saw that I've already used as my alignment. And then I can cut my new bigger hole with my new bigger bit. And hopefully it doesn't try to tear my arm off like an upset Wookiee. Yes, I think that's going to work just fine. And once you've got it started, it's not too big of a deal. And yeah, then once I've got it started, I'll probably take this other hole saw out of there because it is not very well secured. But I think this is going to work. And I'm now gonna just try it. I'll put you on slow-mo so when I start cursing, you can't hear it.